Oh, hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm building out my Expedition camper. We're on to video build series number 56, if you can imagine that. Moving on to gluing down some more framing and moving forward. Hey, fellow campers. How y'all doing? I am thrilled and super excited as I'm sitting in here like between bars practically inside my camper, as my friend John just came over and helped me install the passenger side kitchen cabinet. So we just got the lower portion of it. So we got that installed. It's gluing up right now. I'm going to remove this tape here very soon just to get that removed before it builds up. So I'm just thrilled that that's in. I'm so glad he was able to help me with this and so appreciate his help. And since I got batteries in here, maybe a really great ballast or weight for weighting this down to keep that glue all nice and compressed, which it's doing right now. These are about 68 pounds a piece, so we got that weight, and then these clamps, spreader bars going across the other side here has also got this upper portion glued in. We check level, they're perfectly level with each other and with the floor of the camper. I'm stoked because that adds the strength at the countertop height glued to the walls. Now I can finish building up the rest of the cabinets, at least up until the countertops. I can get the fridge installed, the first of 2 fridges. I think I went over that in a previous video, but I'll go over that more. But I got 2 drawer fridges. Either one could be a fridge or a freezer here, so I've got that flexibility of that. And then an upper fridge will be the main fridge. But I can at least build these up to the countertop height. I get the benches, also the upper portion or lower portion, or well, upper and lower portion of the benches installed over the tanks. I get this other lower tank installed, which is really great. So I have all my water tanks installed. Once I get that in, so I'll do that after this glue sets. And then I've got behind you, you can't see it, but I've received all of my parts for my bed cabinetry. So all the cabinetry is going to go around the walls and up against, well, all the walls, the back wall and the side walls alongside the bed, and then also setting the bed floor and slide so that bed can slide out and slide up into its daybed portion, and also the drawers underneath that and the dinette table to be underneath that as well. All that stuff can slide in and out, and so all that will go in, and that'll be a significant accomplishment because once I get that done, then all I really have is my upper kitchen cabinets, the overheads over the bench, which are pretty small. Those will tie into the bed cabinets, so they'll be basically cantilever between the upper kitchen and the upper bed cabinets, as well as glued in the wall. And then just the bathroom cab, which is really mostly on this side with a little bit of just trimming out on the other side here. And that is huge, right? To get, so it's really great to see this progress I'm making. It's physical progress. It's so great to see it. So just wanted to share with you. I'm sorry I couldn't film everything as it was going on. Sometimes it's hard to film it while going on because of everyone's moving around and the angles aren't always really great, so it's hard to really get like a good film. You see a lot of our backs or something, so I wanted to at least give you guys a quick overview while this is gluing up here before I go and clean up the glue and the tape, and yeah, stoked to get this done. Making progress. It might seem like small progress, but it's actually big progress. Gluing these cabinet frames down in the exact right spot, all lined up and parallel to each other, because now it's just a matter of bolting on the upper portions to start framing out these cabinets. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, and liking, and sharing with others. And I certainly look forward to sharing more with you in the upcoming videos. Lots to come.